What's up guys, Brandon Washington here, and in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys all about the Zhiyun Crane 2's follow focus system. I'm gonna teach you how to make it work, and I'm gonna do it all in just 2 minutes. What's up guys, if this is your first time to my channel, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button, because if you're all about filmmaking gear, tips, tutorials, vlogs, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button, because you're not going to want to miss any future videos I have coming out on this channel. But in today's video, like I said before, we're going to be taking a look at the follow focus system on the Zhiyun Crane 2. Now, when I picked this guy up, this was the main selling point for me and the whole reason why I wanted to get it. But initially, I ran into a few issues using it with my Canon 1DX Mark II. Now, I've already done a video on how to balance it, so if you're interested in how I got this big behemoth of a camera to balance on this thing, definitely make sure you check out that video. But in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how I got the follow focus system to work, along with all the other features that the Zhiyun Crane allows you to do, like changing aperture, shutter speed, and everything else. So without further ado, we're gonna put 2 minutes on the clock, just like one of my favorite YouTubers, Peter McKinnon, does, and we are going to learn how to set up this follow focus system. All right, so the very first thing we're going to need to do is take this guy right here out of the package. This is a micro USB to micro USB cable. The really nice thing is that on the side of the 5D Mark IV and the 1DX Mark II, there is actually a USB 3 port, but what we're going to do is we're going to actually plug this micro USB port into the bottom portion of that USB 3 cable. Then what we're gonna do is take the other end, plug it into the side of the Zhiyun Crane, and boom, most of the hard work is actually already done. Next, what we're gonna do is go ahead and drop into that menus, and we're actually going to go down to camera and make sure that we have it selected for Canon. Now, this is one of the caveats. This only works with Canon right now, but Zhiyun says that they are gonna be doing an update for Panasonic and Sony coming here pretty soon. Once we've done that in our menus, now we're ready to actually go in and finish up some of the last minute things. Now, underneath the sensitivity tab in the menu, you will see that most people think this is actually for the motors, but there's a whole different tab for the motors. This is strictly for the sensitivity of the follow focus. So I like to set this at low, but definitely set it up for whichever way works best for you, but I have found that low works best. Last but not least, you'll see that now your entire screen has actually changed a little bit. So now you'll be able to see you have aperture, you have ISO, you have shutter speed. And if you just click to the left and the right on the knobs, that'll actually allow you to switch between the different modes. And then if you turn the dial, that'll actually change those settings. And so there you have it. It's just that easy to actually go through and set up your Zhiyun Crane 2 with the follow focus system. Now, the biggest thing you're gonna wanna make sure you keep in mind is that you wanna keep your lenses in manual mode or manual focusing. I have found that if you do put your lens in autofocus, however, and then you accidentally either tap the follow focus wheel or you actually use the follow focus wheel, it will turn off the manual focusing of your lens. And so you'll have to basically flip that switch off and then flip that switch back on in order to make it work. But to keep it easy, just put your lens in manual focus and you'll be good to use that follow focus system. Personally, I'm a big fan of the follow focus system, especially if you want to try to do something very creative. However, most Canon cameras have really good dual pixel autofocus built in, so decide to use this how you like. But whenever they do roll out that update for Panasonic and Sony, which I know some people have complained about some of the autofocus that Panasonic offers, you know, I think this will be really big for those camera users. So now you guys know how you can actually use the follow focus with the Zhiyun Crane in any Canon camera. And as they do those updates, I will definitely make sure I let you guys know. Leave comments down below. Let me know what other questions you guys have for me and what else you guys like to see come from this channel. As you guys can tell, leading into this new year, I've been posting more regularly and I want to continue to do that for you guys. So thanks for watching this video. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because you're not going to want to miss any of the future videos I have coming out on this channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.